is very different.
I think, see, my dad was talking out of his experiences. You know, everybody learns from their experience, what they have been through, who they have interacted with. For me, it has been my experience of interactions with people around me in my industry. You know, and I don't look at it the way he looks at it. That's what happens. That's the generation gap that occurs between a father and a son in every family.
Right.
You know, because they're also learning as parents how to bring up their kids,
Yeah.
as I am learning how to bring up my kids. But one thing I've learned from my father is the fire that he has till date. He's going to turn 90 this year.
Yeah.
Till date, he thinks about being a part of a movie.
Wow.
And I had lost that fire in between. And I'm so excited that something clicked in me, and that, you know, it's like जो अब आग जो मेरे अंदर जल रही है वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही जल रही है. जो मेरी जो जिस दिन मैंने पहला शॉट दिया था बरसात में, वो जो दिन था मेरे लिए एक स्पेशल मोमेंट था. मतलब मेरे मुंह से स्माइल नहीं हट रही थी कि मेरा काम शुरू हो गया है. मतलब वो दिन का वेट करते हैं हम, और अब मेरे लिए हर एक फिल्म का पहला दिन वैसा है.
How amazing.
You know, so I look at everything now as the first time I'm doing it, and everything I want to cherish and enjoy. I want to give it that much of. If I keep saying it, I should do it. Actually, do all those things what I'm feeling inside me with the work I do.
Yeah. But will you tell your son that there can be friends in the industry?
There can be friends. I mean, I wasn't allowed to go because my dad must have had relationships, things which people, you know, must have not been so great with him. But with me, the kind of person I am, I don't know, somehow, wherever I go, I make friends. You know, and I don't judge people. That's one thing I've learned on my own.
Yeah.
That when you start judging people is when you actually start thinking about things which are not existing without knowing the person. So till I don't meet the person, till I don't get to know the person, even when I get to know the person, I always give them the benefit of